Hi guys, welcome back. Those of you who've been following my recent videos will know that I've been stripping down and reconditioning an EGR valve. You'll also know that I have to deal with a sheared off bolt. So what I'm going to do, no nonsense approach to dealing with this, I'm not going to mess around with drills, I'm not going to mess around with bolt extractors and all that stuff. I am going to weld a nut onto the top of it, and the heat from the MIG welder will loosen up the bolt anyway. The aluminium block that it's set into will act as a heat sink, so it's not going to damage it, and the whole component's designed to operate with red hot exhaust gases anyway, so no concerns about that. MIG welder is on for the maximum thickness that it can cope with and the slowest wire speed that's appropriate for this wire. Let's see if this works. Okay, let's see. Well, it's got some good resistance. Well, this may well shear off, in which case I'll just go at it again with a fresh bolt. Oh no, I think she's coming. Famous last words. And this is the point at which I could give it a squirt of some kind of lubrication, WD-40, some kind of penetrating oil. There really isn't a massive lot of point. We won. Reforged the bolt. Simple as that. Use a washer to protect the surface. You see it's just fallen off there anyway. The aluminium itself acts as a heat sink, so no damage at all to that. Good to go. There you go. Simple, no nonsense way of dealing with a sheared off bolt. Now that works regardless of whether or not it's actually sitting proud of the surface, but because it was this time, it seemed too good an opportunity to miss. At some point, no doubt, there will be other sheared off bolts, something that sits below the flush with the surface. I've got a little trick to deal with those, but we'll come back to that another time. There you go guys, if that's been useful to you, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy guys.